Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 Sierra is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged Duramax engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 driving modes, trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog lights, leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, full digital gauge cluster there as well, push button ignition, over 13-inch large screen, dual zone climate with heated and ventilated seating, push button ignition. You have your automatic shifter and integrated trailer braking. We have the all black dash with the AT4 branded accents, Bose audio, and our leather heated seating up front with the AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the AT4 Sierra 1500, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tire, color match door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging, blacked out mirror caps with the camera system, as well as your Duramax turbo diesel plaque. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire package. You have an AT4 branded grille, red recovery hooks, fog lights, LED daytime running lamps, and turn signals. Making our way back down the side of the truck, remote start equipped, crew cab truck with rear tinted privacy windows. At the back, color match rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, MultiPro tailgate with your trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior of the Sierra AT4, second row leather 60/40 split, both end seats car seat ready, as well as the in-seat storage feature. A sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, LED lighting, a solid roof. Your heated seat controls, USB ports in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC AT4 Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.